Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Dirty Max LML. If you guys are new to the channel, this is a 2016 Chevy 3500 HD Duramax with a BDS 6.5 inch lift on 35-inch BFG tires with fuel rims. Let's do it. Now, one of the biggest updates I've done to this truck recently was I finally put on these Reservoir shocks by Fox Shocks, and the biggest difference on this shock compared to my other one, and the only difference, is that little CD adjuster. That is the anodized blue CD adjuster, which has up to 10 different adjustments. Now, a product I've been using for a little while is actually this EDT, Everyday Treatment, and this is to clean your fuel injectors. Now, one of the biggest problems on the Chevys seems to be the fuel injectors, and one of the most expensive problems. I've heard they've gone up to about $10,000. So this is going to maintain, clean your fuel injectors, and also give you a little bit of boost. Yes, this is a cetane boost for diesel. Now, when I did order this the first few times, I ordered the smaller jug just to check it out. You can check it out on Amazon. I do not have a link below, but you can check it out. I believe it's a 16-ounce bottle, and you can add 1 or 2 ounces at a time depending on how big your fuel tank is. Now, this fuel tank that I have on here is actually a 36-ounce or 36-gallon fuel tank, and when I did purchase this, they actually sent me this for free. This is a HotShots Secret 1-tank gasoline injector cleaner, and this is for gas, so I'm going to end up putting this in my little Honda. Got a 2005 Honda Accord, a little 4-banger in it. So I'm going to give this a shot, and as soon as I do, I'm going to let you guys know what it does. Okay, let's go step by step what this says here. Alright, so it looks like it says boost cetane up to 7 points. Okay, that's good. It's going to give you a little pep in your step. Maintains clean injectors, increases fuel economy, improves power and performance, prevents rust and corrosion, neutralizes acids, and dissipates moisture. Now, moisture is probably not anything I need to worry about, but especially because I have this fast 150 pump right here, which is going to take out any of the water that's in the diesel fuel. But let's take this product, and I'm going to add a little bit. Now, this is not how I normally add this product. Normally, I have a little injector, and that injector, I put it in the top of here, and I usually put in about 3 ounces. I put in 3 ounces because I have a larger tank. It's a 36-gallon tank. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. I'm not really worried about putting too much in there. I'm just going to put a little bit. Less is more, people. And I'm going to take this, put the cap back on. Alright, now that's good. And you can see my truck, it's absolutely filthy. And one of the rare things that happened in California just yesterday is it actually rained. We needed the rain so badly. The truck looks awful. But, you know, that's to be expected when the wheels are sticking out a little bit. Now, obviously, it doesn't rain enough in California for me to put fender flares on this vehicle, so I'm going to keep it as is. Now, there's a few reasons why I went with the 18-inch rim over the 20-inch rim. And one of them was because when I had the 20-inch rim on here, for some reason it felt like I was driving on rubber bands. There was no cushion at all, no give in the tire, and if I did want to go off-road, I wasn't able to air down. Now, this 18-inch rim is 8 inches wide, and my 20-inch rim was 10 inches wide. Now, when I had the 10-inch wides on there, they tend to rub here and there. Now with this 8-inch wide 18-inch rim, I can't even get this thing to rub. Now, it was a tough decision going either 35s or 37s. I went with the 35s. I knew this vehicle wasn't deleted. It's going to be a while till I do delete it. I wanted to make sure I was going to get decent gas mileage and still be able to tow my trailer behind me. Now, switching these shocks from the Fox Reservoirs to the Fox Reservoirs with the CD adjuster, just having that adjuster made a huge difference in the ride quality. Now I have the torsion keys dialed in along with the adjustability of the shock, so it is far superior. It's riding so comfortable right now. And remember, you have 10 adjustments to make it either harder or softer depending on what you're going to be doing, if you're going to be driving off-road or if you're going to be long distance driving. As you can see here, once you add the bigger tires, you're definitely going to be throwing water and mud on the side of your vehicle. Now these wheels don't stick out very far. It's about an inch, inch and a half. This is a -12 offset on an 18-inch rim that's 8 inches wide. If you go with a 35-inch tire, definitely do the 18-inch rims. If you do a 37-inch tire, you can get away with 20s. As we're cruising to the car wash, just want to remind you guys, please tip the guy that's drying or washing your vehicle, man. These guys work hard day in, day out. I'm not going to film them because they're hard workers and I respect these guys, but make sure you leave them a tip. Well, this is the only drive-through I could even fit in town. If you're going to lift your truck, you got to definitely scope that out. Now I'm looking to do a few more upgrades to this truck. I'm looking at tie rod ends and upper control arms. I've looked at a few different companies. One of them stood out. It's called Kryptonite. Well, hopefully I've helped one of you guys out there make a decision on what size tires to use for your vehicle and your setup, because I know everybody's setup's going to be a little bit different. And definitely go check out HotShotsSecret.com and try out EDT, Everyday Diesel Treatment.